my God.
So this is a coconut tree, guy. It has fibrous root, which means the root doesn't go far away. It just sticks in this area, which allows you to plant a lot of coconut trees close to each other. So I want to get a close-up shot. Most of you know what a coconut tree is and see how it is and grows and bear, or maybe not. You just buy the coconut water in the bottle. So this is one of the smaller trees. You see there's coconut on here. Good. That's called a water coconut. When it's nice and we don't use the baby ones. Okay, you could use this as saline, as a medical injection. Or this one here is almost dry coconut. So what happens? These will fall by gravity. They will fall to the ground, the dry ones. How is this dry coconut, right?
Dry coconut, yeah, the dry one.
Yeah, how much is it?
They want 40 for that.
Yeah, I'll buy one.
The bigger the better.
The bigger the better. Yeah.
The bigger the better.
So give me one of this, and that's coconut oil.
Yeah, coconut oil. Look for grease the gun and the 2 bullets.
The gun and the 2 bullets.
You put shit good.
So we have dry coconut here for $140 for one.
Ready.
So this is the nut. This is what I bought from the market, guys. So the dry coconut is used for 2 things. By bulk, as you see earlier, we were using an axe to break it and get the nut out. But let's say you want to send this to your family in Canada or America or export it. This is how the nut goes overseas. As you can hear, it shakes. This is a good one. So now this is when it falls down from the tree. As you can see here, it's shaking too. So I'm gonna show you how to take this and make it into this. This, as you see at the market, it'd be 140 Guyana dollars. That is about 70 cents American for this. Okay guys, 70 cents. I have this all over in my backyard, just falling on the ground. Let's see how to open this up. So I'm using today, my tool of choice will be the hoe. You use a hoe to dig the grasses out, but you can also use it to open this hole. See, you want to come closer? This is a small coconut tree too. So, mosquito. I'm gonna hold this, I think like this. Get it in the hole. Oh, this is easier than I thought. Look at that, guys. So I try to get, you see here, there's cuts. You don't want to do it here. This is the deepest part of the coconut shell. You want to do it in these 3 drains over here. So I got this one in here already.
You can hit it down, like slam it down. Yeah.
Oh, I think I have
You gotta go deeper.
this one. Yeah, there you go. So when I use the axe to cut these, I had to head this way. Towards the front. Now when I'm using my hand with the hoe, hey puppy, to dig it out, I put the head away from me. See that, guys? Amazing. See that, guys? So without this, it'll be almost impossible to open this coconut. And in less than a minute, you can peel one of these coconuts, the one that's dropped. So this part, what can I use? Remember, I'm gonna show you guys what I'll use this part for. Okay, I'll save this for later. So less than a minute, you pick a coconut up from underneath the tree. Like let's say it's a big tall tree and you don't want to climb up to get the water coconut. You just let the coconut ripe until it's overripe and it falls down on its own. The one in the market, as you can see, the lady gave me the biggest one. Let's just say this one is 100. That's 50 cents American. 50 cents just dropping all over underneath these trees. Guys, if you guys want to partner with me to plant some coconut tree in Guyana, comment in the section below or send me an email. I'll put it down. I'm gonna start a coconut farm soon.
Why am I participant to this?
Major video coming. I've been spending quite a long time on the oil making process, guys, of coconut. It takes a while. It's several processes. That's gonna be a whole video by itself. Just subscribe to my channel. Wait for the notification. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. So when I post new pictures, when I post new videos on YouTube, I also tell my followers on Facebook and Instagram, hey, go to YouTube and check my video out. Or you can subscribe to my channel, and then after you press subscribe, click on the little bell. That will send you like a little notification also that Raymond Harlall has uploaded a new video, and you guys can check it out. Comment. Feel free to share my videos with your friends and leave a comment. Just fine. Just leave whatever comment you want to do. Thanks. Bye.